Right, okay. So I've got my centre line, I've got my laser level so I can make sure that this is square. And then when I put this on, I just make sure that the line goes through the centre where these screw holes are. And it's always worth checking that these are actually lined up with the holes at the back. I've made that mistake a few times and they haven't quite been there. Manufacturing process is slightly off. But just so I can see that either side of the box, I'm just going to extend those lines. Then I can find the centre of the socket, checking that it's through the two lines there and there, and then marking it all the way around. Okay, just touch that up there, and I'll do that just so I can see where the corners are. Now when I'm stitch drilling, I'll stitch drill the corners, and then I'll do centres of those, and then I'll do centres of those all the way around, and then I'll work my way through the middle, and then I'll do the centre of those either side of this line, and then when I come to chisel it out, it will all break out nice and neat. That's the plan. So I'm going to do it without these first and show you the stitch drill method. 5.5mm drill bit and a drill. When I'm going in, I want to make sure that this is as square as possible. I don't want it up, I don't want it down to the side. I want to make sure that the drill is perfectly square to the wall, and then I'm also going to set a depth on that so that all the sockets are the same depth in the wall. Personally, I can do that. I've been doing it so long now that I can do it without actually needing the guide, but for the video I'll use the guide.